go so high, dancing, spinning, in the sky. Hold on tight, don't let it go. Watch it twirl and dip down low. Windy days are such a treat, running fast on happy feet. Flying a kite, oh what fun, playing outside in the sun with George and Daddy, Mommy too, and the sky so big and blue. Sometimes it wiggles side to side, sometimes it takes a bumpy ride. Oh no, it's stuck, but that's okay, we'll try again another way. Peppa laughs and off we run. Flight is so much fun. Shiny kite